Baddie, my man couldn't keep his hands off of me, honey. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Okay. Hey, you guys. What's up? It's your girl, Kaylin Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. So happy you guys could come and chill with me and be with me. I have been going for a good minute, okay? A good minute, okay? Let me tell you why. You know, no excuses. Bullshitting. That's it. Bullshit. I'm so happy to be back and be in front of a camera. God has been good. God has been in the blessing business, honey. I'm a firm believer in one door closing and, honey, a million other doors opening, okay? And that's on period, okay? Shout out to God. I'm so entirely grateful. I always got to give praise to him. But yeah, let's get into this video. But anyway, so girl, let's get to talking, girl. What has been up? What's the tea? I came to give y'all tea. Oh wait, first and foremost, if you here and you're watching this, I always say that make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. You know, it's free, y'all. It's just free to click that button down below. I appreciate it. And I'm grateful for you guys. Maybe let's get into this wig. Let me put y'all on. Do you see your girl? Your girl's out here looking like a a honey. Like, what are you saying? Girl, I came to give life. Can y'all see this hair? It's life. I've done curled it and it's thick, sis. It's definitely thick. Like, it's 30 inches, so girl, let me put you on, okay? Like, girl, your hair is cute. What you doing? What you giving? Let me drink my drink. Got our wine glasses. We got our drinks. Girl. Girl, do you know how it feels to get like some good quality hair and like put it on and be like, damn, I could shut the city down if I want to, period. For real. For real. Okay, I can really shut the city down, period. And girl, this is exactly what this hair is doing. So let me put y'all on. Yes, she sips straw. Okay, so yeah, let me put y'all on. YOLISSA hair, they did this, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I paid this fully with my money. You know, it wasn't sponsored or anything, honey. This hair is one of the best wigs I've ever owned. And I'm gonna be real, because my Wiggins wig from last year was actually top notch, beautiful. And actually, maybe it was earlier this year. No, that was last year. Shoot, it was last year, y'all. That was one of my best wigs. I'm telling you now, this wig is literally the best wig I've ever owned. It's high quality. It's thick. It doesn't look like that now because I just curled it. I put some oil in it. It kind of weighed it down, but sis is giving, okay? Sis is giving. Like, it's super thick. I'm actually in love with it. Like, actually, like 10 out of 10 would fucking recommend. Let me do that again. I ain't trying to cuss on here like that. 10 out of 10 would recommend, okay? 10 out of 10 would recommend. I absolutely love this hair. HD lace. Now, I'm gonna be real with you guys, since I bought it 100% with my money. So I'm gonna tell y'all what came with it. It came with a little silk pouch. Y'all know what y'all see with the wigs. It come with a silk pouch. And I'm gonna give y'all some details. So what it came with is 3 things, which I was like kind of sad about. And actually, I was watching Rabiana's video. Love her too. Hey girl. Love her too. And I actually watch her videos. And she reviewed this wig, and I was on a hunt for a good wig. Because I'm getting into the influencing and I'm taking more pictures, I just want to make sure my hair is top tier. You know what I'm saying? If I invest, your girl will come out on top. I won't have to buy a whole bunch of wigs back to back. So your girl went ahead and bite the bullet for y'all and really got it. And now I'm just hella satisfied. Okay, so shout out to Rabiana, because she put your girl on. So I'm putting you the details. This is a 6x6, girl. That's right, sis. That is right. Ooh, my heart is itching. Okay, that is right, sis. It is a 6x6. I really didn't lay it like that for real because I was moving quick and I had some things to do today. My mom is actually moving to Mexico. Y'all don't care about that. Why am I saying all my life story? Okay, But yeah, 6x6 wig, 250 density, y'all, 30 inches. When I tell you this is like top tier hair, if you're looking for a wig, now I ain't gonna hold you, sis, it came up to like 4 or something. I'm not gonna hold you, but it is worth it for sure. But you can also find discount codes like Rabiana's, and now you can find a couple other YOLISSA discount codes so you can get some money off. But when I'm telling you, I can have this forever. Okay, it's 6x6, so it looks like a frontal, sis. I'm giving mini frontal. Okay, like, cause right here you couldn't tell me it wasn't a frontal. You can't tell me I'm out here stunting like I'm a son like my daddy. You know, it ain't tricking if you got it. You know what I'm saying? It was, you know, it's giving. Okay. For sure. HD lace. Now I'm gonna say this. I've had HD lace, and I'm gonna tell you the difference. I've had HD lace with the Wiggins hair. That literally looked like scalp. This one, I would say this is transparent. Not HD, sis. Not HD. But I mean, it's really good. I decently like it. Like, it's not bad. I was expecting to melt a little bit better. I have to look in the mirror. I mean, because right here, it melted. Like, you cannot tell me it's not my hair. Like, I'm still giving Scalpiana. But, you know, I would have liked it to melt like my previous HD lace. Like, really having real HD lace. But that's okay. You know, beggars can't be choosers because my hair is popping. Like, I know this wig is going to last me a good long time. I probably put too much in there. But look at the hair. It's just bouncy, girl. And I just put some curls in it. Some waves. And it's body wave. Sorry, you guys, it's body wave. And I'll put all the details below, link below. So let me just show you what I got. So I got the little silk pouch. You know, we always get that with the wigs. All right, and then it came with a wig cap. You know, I don't really ever use these. I don't use these ever. So, and then I also have, let me see. I'm always looking. I'm all the way over here, and I'm looking over there because I keep looking over there because that's where the damn viewfinder is, and the camera's right here. Y'all like, where is she looking at? Y'all really not gonna care. I don't know, but I've been filming this whole entire time, so y'all gonna have to, you know, get it tight. And it also came with this. Let it focus. So it's like a hair care package thing. And it just has the instructions of how this goes. That makes sense, and kind of see how to take care of the hair, right? And that's what really just all that really came in the bag. Now I will say this, they have great customer service. They reached out to me, communicated with me, and actually the crazy part is the link that was in Rabiana's video, it wasn't listed as 6x6. It only had 5x5s and 3.6. Oh, not 3.6. Girl, what in the hell? 3 and 6, 3, 6, 13, 6, somebody 6. You know what that type of wig is. 13x6. There it is. Type of wig. And I didn't want that. Because they be giving you that middle part, that funky stuff, and they give you a little bit of lace on the side. Like, baby, that is not a real one. I want to be able to do a deep swoop. What I was going to do with that? So I said, you know what? I want a 6x6 because I already have a 5x5. And I tell you that, I have another wig that I do enjoy. It is not like this, though. But I do enjoy. And if you check out my Instagram, follow me on Instagram right here. I love that wig. It's a lot of my pictures. And I got my little waves or whatever. I do like that. It's a 5x5, but this 6x6, honey, I could do a deep part and keep it pushing. You could tell me nothing. I'm missing the earring. Where is it at? Dang, I'm out here with no earring. Honey, the wild. Okay, not earring missing. Flipping here. Act like we're not doing that. Like, where the hell? Okay, we are back. Hold on. And we're back. Because you're girl. Now let me do that flip. What's that? Like I said, the earring's there now this time. Like I said, for real though, it was what's I finna say? 10 out of 10 would recommend. Really good quality. Shipping wasn't that long. I would say it was about 5 to 6 days, business days. Yeah, for it to get here. 5 to 7 business days. I really don't remember, but I think it was about 5 to 7 business days. And shedding, somewhat. Like, if I run my fingers through it now. I got like 2 strands. You can't even see that, but I got like 2 strands, so not really a lot of shedding. Now when I did pluck it, I got more shedding, but that's gonna happen because I plucked it. What's I finna say? Listen, this just hair is just giving the girls what it's supposed to give. Like, I'm out here looking like a straight baddie. My man couldn't keep his hands off of me, honey. Like, he was like, oh girl, you got this Rapunzel going on, your face beat, baby, where you at? Okay. And I was like, oh, you want me? I got you. Holla at me. Okay. I want to give a big shout out to my boyfriend, actually. He over here coming into these YouTube streets. So if you have not seen It Is Free, that is my man, my baby, my future husband, my future baby daddy. Okay, period. I am so happy and grateful for him. He's actually been in these YouTube streets, started his YouTube channel, and I was like, oh, what we not gonna do is that you outwork me on this. Definitely need it. But hold on, I'm gonna leave his page right here so you can follow my man. Okay, check out his Instagram, his YouTube. Okay, check my man's out. He gives all the vibes because he's my man, and you know, he's fired, you know. whatever else could it be? But yeah, so I really recommend this wig. 10 out of 10 recommend. The girls are giving, honey. Some of these wigs be out here, they do not be giving, looking like the girls are fighting, and we don't want to look like that. We want to be laid, you know, if you're filming, if you're in the influence industry, you know what I'm saying, like, it's good to have good hair. Like, I make that an investment, because before I'd be like, damn, $400 or $500 a little steep. But no, sis, it's actually an investment, because honestly, we spend it on bags, you know what I'm saying, and other things that we don't need to. So I was like, yeah, let me do a hell and bite this bullet right here. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Check, please. Ooh, honey. But yeah, and let me get up and show you guys how long the hair is. So hold on. Can y'all see? So this is my, oh, I took off my jacket. Take off my sweater so y'all can see. Alright, so this is where it's falling on me. And that's on my booty. You know what I'm saying? So it's pretty long, pretty thick. I'm actually really loving it. It's giving the girls what they have to give. So it's pretty long. Comes past my back. I absolutely love this hair. Super beautiful. I love these. I cut a little bit of layers into it too, just to give it that look. And I curled it with my I forgot this. It's like a new. It's the white curly iron, and it actually curls. Mwah, chef's kiss. Okay, absolutely beautiful. So I just want to give all the bad and bougie vibes here. You know what I'm saying? Like, we about something over here. You know, we about a little something. You know, give them a little something. You know. But it's giving energy. Like, it's giving good vibes, bad bougie energy. Like, I love it. I'm absolutely floored. I love it. I absolutely love it. Check this out. This is a really good wig. If you're looking for a wig with high quality and investing in an investment piece with your wig, I would definitely suggest, you know, this 6x6 body wave by YOLISSA hair. 2050, what the hell, 250 density wig. Definitely can tell you this is like hands down my favorite wig of 2022. But not only, like, the best wig I've ever owned. Okay, literally. And I've had some decent wigs. This by far is my favorite wig, for sure. I also have a blonde highlighted wig that I want to review. Actually, I've seen this on Brittany Rivers. Go check her out as well, on here on YouTube. I actually want to review that too as well. But it's gonna be cute because I'm gonna make it cute. And I'll give you my full review once I get it conditioned and stuff like that. but it ain't giving what this is giving. Okay, this YOLISSA hair, I'm by far blown away with the quality of the hair, and it's actually a true 30-30. And then, you know, the HD lace is, it's all right now. It's cute because it melted. You know what I'm saying? It's giving a little scalp. Yana, her sister. You know what I'm saying? But so far, like, I've truly enjoyed this wig, like the hair. I think it's a great investment. I think it'll last me a long time once I take care of it. And yeah, so I'm really grateful. So once again, I'm so grateful for you guys for crazy, you know, just a little bit. But yeah, I'm so thankful for you guys. Sincerely, like, you know, coming to watch my video. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to follow your girl on Insta, okay? Connect with me. You know, anybody will tell you. Anybody that call, leave me a comment, message me. I always, maybe not a message because it's so many, but comment under my pictures. I will comment back for sure. And I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much for showing love. Also, if you want to, go ahead and check out our clothing line, Neo Nami. I always have to say that because why wouldn't I? And yeah, I hope everybody has a good 2022. Everybody has a great holiday. Merry Christmas. Stay tuned. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, honey. Like my baddie boos know. Okay, y'all comment, like, and subscribe below. I appreciate you. You follow me, I follow you back. So, but yeah, YOLISSA hair, y'all did that. And again, everything will be linked down below. And I'm not here to tell you y'all could kill that shit, period. You could do whatever you want to. Put your mind to it. You got this, period. I love you guys. Peace.